Hello student. Today we are going to discuss about types of reaction. There are various types of reaction depending upon how the rearrangement of atoms occur in a reaction. Because a chemical reaction is nothing but rearrangement of the atoms. The reactant atoms undergoes rearrangement to produce the product. Now depending upon these various ways of rearrangement of the atoms in a reaction, different types of chemical reactions are there. Combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation reaction, reduction reaction, redox reaction. These are some types of reaction we are going to study in standard 10. Now, today we are going to discuss about combination reaction. Now, what is the combination reaction? Before going to the definition of combination reaction, let us consider some example which you are observing in your surrounding. One example is that you know that coal is used by many people for cooking food or heating water. Now what exactly is the content of coal? That is carbon. When this coal burns in air, the carbon from the coal will combine with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide gas. Another example is of burning of magnesium ribbon. Magnesium ribbon, when it burns in air, it will burn with a bright white flame and produces magnesium oxide. Now here you are finding that these are the reaction taking place when the product is formed by the combination of two reactants. Then such a type of reactions are known as combination reaction. Let us see the definition. The definition of this reaction is the reactions in which two or more substances, elements or compounds combine to form a single substance are called combination reaction. Means in this reaction, two elements combine to form a single product, two compounds combine to form a single product, or an element and compound to combine to form a single product. Now initially which two example I have taken, that carbon reacts with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide gas, magnesium react with oxygen to produce magnesium oxide. These are the combination reactions of the elements. I have written these two reactions in the symbolic form, that carbon solid combines with oxygen gas to produce carbon dioxide. Magnesium combines with oxygen gas to produce magnesium oxide. Another example I will write, that hydrogen gas combines with chlorine gas. Now hydrogen, chlorine, oxygen in elemental form we are writing as a dimolecular form, that is diatomic molecular form. So therefore we are writing O2, H2, Cl2. So here you will get hydrogen and chlorine combined to form hydrogen chloride gas. This way, this is also a combination reaction. Another example is formation of water. In water also you will find that hydrogen gas combines with oxygen gas to produce water. Is that clear? This way two elements combine to form a single product. That is why this is the combination reaction. Now let us see the another type, that is of combination reaction, that an element and a compound combine to form a single product. Now I am writing these reactions. The example of this type of reaction, that is sulfur dioxide gas combined with oxygen gas to produce sulfur trioxide. Nitric oxide combines with oxygen gas to produce nitrogen dioxide. The brown color gas revolved during this reaction is nitrogen dioxide. So initially we will take example of sulfur dioxide gas combines with oxygen gas to produce sulfur trioxide gas. And the second example, that is of nitric oxide combines with oxygen gas to produce nitrogen dioxide gas, which is of brown color. This is sulfur trioxide. This is nitrogen dioxide. Now here you will find that sulfur dioxide, nitric oxide, these are compounds. Oxygen gas is the element and a single product produced in this reaction is the sulfur trioxide, nitrogen dioxide. These are the products of these reactions. So thus there is a combination of an element and a compound to form a single product. That is why these are the combination reactions. Now there is another type in which two compounds combine to form a single product. The example is of calcium oxide, that is quicklime, reacts with water to produce slaked-lime, that is calcium hydroxide. And this calcium hydroxide clear solution used for whitewashing the walls. When we apply this slaked-lime solution on the walls, after some time the walls will show bright white color. Why? Because this solution combines with the carbon dioxide in air and produces calcium carbonate, and because of that the whitish appearance is there on the walls. Let us see this type of reactions. I am writing these reactions in the form of equation. CaO, that is calcium oxide, reacts with water to produce calcium hydroxide, that is slaked limes. This is quicklime. This is slaked lime. Now during this reaction, large amount of heat is also generated, and therefore the reaction of calcium oxide or quicklime with water is also known as exothermic reaction, because this is releasing lot of amount of heat, and as the heat is released the reaction is exothermic. Now this quicklime solution combines with carbon dioxide gas in air to produce calcium carbonate and water. And because of this calcium carbonate, the whitish appearance is there for the wall. Another example of this type of reaction, when a compound combines with another compound to produce a single product, is ammonia gas combined with hydrogen chloride gas to produce ammonium chloride. Now let us see this reaction in the form of equation. Ammonia gas plus hydrogen chloride gas producing ammonium chloride. Now here ammonia gas is also compound, hydrogen chloride gas is also compound, and it will produce ammonium chloride. So here these two compounds combine to form the ammonium chloride, which is white color solid. Now thus we have seen this is the third type of reaction, when two compounds combine to produce single product. So this is the example of this type of reactions. I hope student this video you will find helpful for your studies. If you like watching my videos, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.